Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure a child theme is active so changes survive updates. That's critical. Once done, create a quick backup of functions. PHP and style. CSS via FTP or your host file manager. Next, open Dashboard Right Arrow Appearance Right Arrow Theme File Editor or connect with FTP and navigate to the child theme folder. You will edit the CSS for the menu bar color, so have the editor open. And a note of the CSS selector for your header or primary menu ready before proceeding. You now locate the exact selector for the menu bar using Browser Dev Tools. Right-click the header and inspect elements to identify. Site header, main navigation, or your themes class. Then in the child theme style. CSS add rules like background color, #123456, color, #FFF, and include hover and active state styles. Use. Important sparingly only if inherited rules block changes. After saving, clear any caching plugins and your browser cache so you can immediately see color updates on the front end. You finish by fine-tuning contrast and accessibility. Make sure text and links meet readability standards and adjust padding if color changes reveal layout issues. If edits don't show, make sure to purge caching plugins, CDN caches, and hard refresh the browser. Also check for inline styles or customizer settings that override style. CSS. As a final step, paste your CSS into Appearance Right Arrow, customize Right Arrow Additional CSS, or enqueue a child theme style sheet via functions. PHP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.